how to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by username. So if you want to add someone on Snapchat without letting them know, then first open up your Snapchat application. And here what you have to do is simply go for the bottom left, which has that chats icon, or you can also go for the upper left, which has that search icon, and simply search for that person, a random person that you would like to add. And now you can go for the upper right corner of that profile and simply tap on share. And here under share to, you will have the copy option. On the first, just simply tap on copy and copy the link or copy the profile link. And after copying, now you can go for Chrome, or you can open up any browser that you're comfortable with. And after opening your browser, now simply paste that. And here go for the bottom right, which says continue in browser, and tap on continue. And here now you can simply go for add friend, which is here on your browser, and it will automatically take you to your Snapchat. And now you will have add friend option, and now you can simply go for add friend, which is here. And after tapping on add friend, it won't notify the other person that you have searched for their account. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.